how to update YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can update YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to update YouTube app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, just make sure that you're connected to a reliable internet connection. So just make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi available, and after that you can just try to open up your app store, and then in the app store you simply want to go to the search option, and then you want to simply type in YouTube. Once you type in YouTube, tap the search result and look for the YouTube app here. Once you look for the YouTube app, if it says open, it means that the YouTube app is already updated to the latest version. But if it says update, whether you're on Android or whether you're on iOS, it simply means that YouTube app requires an update, and now you have to just tap the update option in order to update the YouTube app to the latest version. And this way you'll be able to update YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.